are you all? Hopefully you are all in good healthy and of course under the protection Almighty good. Meet again with me, Indah Rizky. In this video, I will discuss mathematics material again with the theme of plane geometry. The more specifically is three-dimensional shape. Are you ready the study of today? If so, pay attention to the following video explanation, friends. Space are three-dimensional geometric shapes with boundaries in the form of flat planes and curved planes. Each space must have certain properties starting from the sides, ribs, and corner point. Please note that these side and corner point are generally only owned by three-dimensional space and the number varies. Part of space building. The first, side or planes. These side or planes become a plane in the shape of the space that limit the inside with the outside. This set has two forms, namely the side of the first plane and the curved planes. Second, ribs. A rib is a line segment formed by the intersection of two planes that meet. Ribs can be straight lines or curved lines. Ribs lie on one side of the plane only and do not intersect with each other are called parallel ribs. Then, ribs that intersect but do not lie on one side of the planes are called coursed ribs. 3. Corner point. A corner point is the meeting point between three or more ribs in shapes. 4. Side diagonals. A side diagonal is a line segment that connects two corner points located on different ribs or one side of the planes. 5. Diagonal of space. The diagonal of a space in the area of a line connecting two corner points, each of which is located the top side and base side. 6. Diagonal planes. The diagonal plane is a plane delimited by the present two diagonal sides and the opposite side. Usually found is cube and cuboid. Based on the shape of the side, the building can be divided into two types, namely the first, flat side. Flat sides are space whose sides are all form flat planes. A flat plane is a two-dimensional shape that has length and width, but not height. For example, cube, cuboid, prisms, and pyramid. The second, curved side. Curved side spaces are spaces that have at least one curved side. These curved sides cannot be decomposed into flat planes. For example are tube, cone, and sphere. Example of this type of three-dimensional shape can be easily found around us. For example, cube, art dice, and rubric toys. Then, in example, a cuboid is a box and cupboard. While example of cone are birthday hat and ice cream cone, as well as tube, for example, water pipes and drink bottle. The first of three-dimensional shape is cube. The shape is a part of a prism. The main characteristic of a cube is that its sides are always the same size and square. Next, properties of a cube. The first, has 6 sides, namely ABCD, ADEH, BCFG, CDGH, and EFGH. Next, has 12 ribs. Base ribs are AB, BC, CD, and AD. The top ribs are EF, FG, GH, and EH. Upright ribs are IE, BF, CG, and DH. Next, the has 8 corner points are I with G, B with H, C with E, and D with F. There are 12 side diagonal. Next, there are 4 space diagonal are AG and CE, BF and DF. Next, there are 6 diagonal planes ABGF, ACGE, ADGF, BCHE, BDHF, and CDEF. Next, the side of the planes must be square roots of equal size. Next, all the angles are right angle and are 90 degrees. Next, example of cube nets. A cube has more than 4 net patterns. Well, here is an example of net shape pattern on a cube. Next, formula of a cube. The first, volume equal side times side times side. Next, surface area of a cube equal 6 times side times side. The next flat shape is the cuboid. Cuboids are also part of rectangular upright prism and often referred to as right-angle prism. The shape is almost the same as a cube, except that it has more legs. Next, properties of a cuboid. The first has 6 sides are ABCD, EFGH, BCFG, ADEH, ABEF, and CDGH. Next, has 12 ribs at top side, upright side, and base side. Next, has 8 corner points are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Next, has 12 side diagonals. Next, there are 4 diagonals of the space are AG, BH, CE, and DF. Next, there are 6 diagonal planes. Next, the sides of the plane are rectangular. Next, all angles are right angle and are 90 degrees. Next, example of a cuboid net. A cuboid has more than 4 net patterns. Here is an example a net shape pattern on a cuboid. Next, formula of a cuboid. The first, volume equal length times width times height. Next, surface area equal 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. 3. Prism. Basically, a prism is a space bounded by 2 parallel planes or base plane and top plane. Which other plane will intersect each other according to their parallel ribs. These other planes are called upright planes. Then, the distance between the 2 planes or base plane and top plane is called the height of the prism. Next, type of a prism. When viewed for how the soul of the base plan, the prism can be divided into three types, namely, the first, triangular prism, where the base plan is triangular. Next, quadrilateral prism and so on, namely, those whose base plan is square or so hexagon and other. Next, parallelepiped prism, whose base plan is a parallelogram. Next, properties of prism. The first has a base plan and a top plan that are parallel and congruent. Next, has an upright side that is in the form of a parallelogram. Next, all of it is right, are parallel and of equal height. Next, all of it is diagonal plane or in the shape of a parallelogram. Next, in a n-square prism, the number of diagonal planes is n over 2 multiplied by n minus 3. Next, in a n-square prism, the number of diagonal space in n multiplied by n minus 3. Next, example of prism net. Since there are many types of prism depending on how to base in shape. The following example, a net is for a triangular prism. Next, formula of a triangular prism. The first, volume equal a half times triangular base times triangular height times prism height. Next, surface area equal 2 times a half times triangular base times triangular height plus triangular perimeter times prism height. For pyramid. A pyramid is a space bounded by a face N and several triangles with a common vertex outside the plane of the facet N. Now, consider the following example of a pyramid drawing. The line in the middle is called the height of the pyramid, while the point above is called the top point or vertex. Next, type of pyramid. The first, arbitrary pyramid. A pyramid whose base plan is arbitrary and square and whose vertex is also arbitrary. Next, regular pyramid. A type of pyramid whose base plan is regular and square. The projection at the vertex coincide with the center point of base plan. Next, properties of a pyramid. The first has 5 sides, are 1 base side and 4 upright sides. Next, the side of the base of rectangular. Next, 4 vertical side in the shape of a triangle. Next, has 5 corner points. Next, has 8 ribs. The base shape can be varied, including rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus, kite, and parallelogram. Example of pyramid nets. Pyramids have several types depending on how the base is shaped. That's why the nets can also differ from one another. Vihar is an example of the nets of rectangular pyramid. Next, formula of a pyramid. The first, volume equal 1/3 times base area times weight times height. Next, surface area equal base area plus amount of side multiplied by side amount, or length times width plus 4 times a half times weight times triangular height. 5. The tube. This tube has a top and a bottom, the form of the same circle. It has a simple closed surface whose boundaries are also part of the tube. It is itself and the base is a circle. A tube shape is seen as a special prism, a circular base. Next, properties of tubes. The first has three sides, namely the top side, base side, and the tube blanket. Next, it has no corner point because it's a circle. Next, its circular top and base planes must have the same width. Next, there is a curved side called the tube blanket. Next, there is a tube height which is the distance between the top plane and the base plane. Next, it has two curved ribs. Next, tube nets. If you look at the following picture, will be clear at the net of the tube is composite of a rectangle and two circles. Next, formula of a tube. The first, volume equal base area times height, or P times radius squared times height. Next, tube area equal base area plus top area plus blanket area. The formula of a base area equal P times radius squared. The formula of a top area equal P times radius squared. The formula of a blanket area equal 2 times P times radius times height. Next, cone. A cone is a space bounded by a circular base and a curved side. The curved side is a blanket that tapers toward the top. The father of it is similar or tapers. Next, properties of cone. The first, the base is circular. Second, has two sides, namely the circle at bottom and the curved plane at cone blanket. Next, there is a cone blanket which is a curved side. Next, has one curved ribs. Next, has a vortex. The next, cone net. If you look closely, these conical nets look like pizza slices and small round shapes. Next, formula of a cone. 1. Volume equal 1/3 times P times radius squared times height. Next, surface area equal P times radius times side plus P times radius squared. 7. The sphere. In geometry, a sphere is a three-dimensional space formed by infinite circles of equal radius centered on a common point. Next, properties of a sphere. The first has only one side, which is a column of point equidistant from the center of the sphere. This side of the sphere is also called the blanket of the sphere. Next, does not have ribs. Next, has a sphere radius that connects the center point of the sphere with the surface point. The radius of the sphere is written with r. Next, the diameter is twice the size of the radius of the sphere. Next, it has a spherical bowstring in the form of a line span connecting two points on the sphere. Next, the net of a sphere. A sphere does not have a net. This is because the net is a representation of two-dimensional shape. Well, the sphere cannot represent a two-dimensional shape, so the sphere does not have a net. Next, formula of a sphere. First, volume equal 4/3 times P times radius cube. Next, surface area equal 4 times circle area or 4 times P times radius squared. How about it, friend? Do you understand or not my explanation? I hope that what I have said is useful for you in helping you understand material at school. Keep practicing that your knowledge increases. For this video, just stop here for now. And see you again, friends.